Namaste and welcome to this video. As all of us know, art is a very important part of everybody's life. Each one of us is a creator of whatever artwork we produce in our lives. It could be the art of cooking, it could be the art of writing, it could be the art of decorating, it could be the art of dancing, singing, anything that helps you to express yourself. Hi, I'm Roma Joshi, an academic evangelist with 35 plus years of experience in the field of education, and this channel, which is named Roma Ma'am, is dedicated to the teacher community. In my previous video, I had shared certain activities which were conducted in the school where I conducted a workshop on art integration. And I'm sure all of you have watched and liked whatever I have shared with all of you. And as I had mentioned, I am here with a few more videos about what the teachers actually experienced after going through that workshop. So I'm going to share that with you today and also share a few of the images where we've captured the teachers so engrossed and so involved in the activity based on art integration. Do watch and leave your comments, like the video if you really have liked it, and if you're not a subscriber as yet to my channel, please do subscribe. I will see you at the end of this video. Thank you. The aim of art is not to represent the outward appearance of things, but their inward significance. Very aptly put by Aristotle. Now, when we look at this quote, we realize that art is an expression that comes from within. So whatever we feel, we express in the form of art. Let me take another couple of quotes to make this entire video clear to all of you. Art has the power to transform, to illuminate, to educate, inspire, and motivate. I think now we are all getting a little bit of an idea as to why NEP2020 talks about art integration with so much of, I think, conviction, I would say. Well, just one more and let us see what this quote has to say. Every child is an artist. If you have watched the movie Tare Zameen Par, I think all of you could relate to what this statement means. The problem is how to remain an artist once we grow up. This was Pablo Picasso, a very well-known and prominent artist, and he was known for his abstract work and his cubism, and I don't know, somehow I relate to his work, and I've studied fine arts, so I've studied most of the artists, and I think anything that can be given an abstract form, you are asking people to maybe understand what you're trying to convey. So you're giving them room for thought, and you're giving a chance to them to express their perception of what they see.
Good evening. I'd like to thank management, principal madam and vice principal madam, and Roma Joshi madam and Vinay sir. Thank you sir, thank you madam. पहले जो भी इधर हुआ वर्कशॉप में सब अनएक्सपेक्टेड था. तब तक वो वर्कशॉप में जो भी एक्टिविटी देते थे हमें मालूम ही नहीं चलता था कि क्या होगा. उतना इंटरेस्टिंग था, उतना क्यूरियोसिटी से भरा हुआ था. तो मैं बहुत कुछ सीखी आज की वर्कशॉप से. वो सब में मेरी क्लासेस में अडॉप्ट करने की कोशिश करके जरूर करूँगी. थैंक यू मैम, थैंक यू.
ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಹಾಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಮೇಡಮ್, ವೈಸ್ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಮೇಡಮ್, ರೋಮಾ ಮೇಡಮ್, ವಿನಯ್ ಸರ್ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನನ್ನ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಇವತ್ತಿಂದು ಏನೋ ಹೊಸ ಥರದ ನಮ್ಮ ಅನುಭವ ಉಂಟಾಯಿತು ಈ ಸೆಷನ್ ಒಳಗೆ. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಮೂಮೆಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ತಾರೆ ಜಮೀನು ರಾಜ್ಕುಮಾರ್ ಮೂವಿಗೆ ಹೋದಂಗಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್ ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅವರೇ ಲೋಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರ ಬಾಲ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಚಿತ್ರಗಳನ್ನ ಬಿಡಿಸೋದು, ವೋಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ರಿಯಲಿ ಭಾಳ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಭಾಳಷ್ಟು ಕಲಿತ್ವಿ. NEP ಅಂದರೆ ಬರೀ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ 9+3+3+4 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಆದರೆ ಅದು ಏನು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಬರೀ ಓರಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಮೂಲಕ ತಿಳಿಸೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕೊನೆಯವರೆಗೂ ಅದು ನೆನಪಲ್ಲಿ ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀಸನ್ ನಾವು ಮರೆಯೋಕ್ಕೆ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಆ ಥರ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನವರಿಕೆ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
जो आपका ये सेक्शन था, सच में मैं बोलना चाहती हूँ कि मुझे ऐसा लगा कि जब मैं क्लास में थी तब हमें सर सिखाते थे कि कैसे बच्चों, हम जैसे बच्चों को वो कैसे सिखाते थे ना इम्प्रूव करके, ऐसे मुझे फील हो रहा था कि सच में हम बच्चे ही बन गए। पहले हमने गेम खेला, गेम के यानी उसके थ्रू वो लोग हमें सिखाना चाहते थे ना, वो मैडम में सिखाई, बहुत अच्छा लगा मुझे। और लास्ट में जो ये क्राफ्ट वगैरह यानी पेपर से कुछ बनाने के लिए दिया ना, ये तो मेरा फेवरेट है, इसलिए मुझे बहुत पसंद लगा। बहुत धन्यवाद।
Hi. So how did you enjoy the videos? Did you like the way in which the teachers involved themselves, completely went back to their childhood, sat on the floor and worked on the activity given to them? Well, I'm sure all of you have been able to relate to what I have shared today with all of you, because all of us as school students did experience this kind of fun and entertainment in class. So teachers and all those who are watching this video, please remember that art plays an very important and vital role in the lives of our children and our students. So make it a habit, make it a point to have some kind of artwork added into your teaching plans and make your children learn to, I think I would say, develop their creative side and also discover that they do have an artist hidden somewhere within them. Like I said, art, it has different forms. So don't worry about a child who's not able to draw a flower or draw a boat or something well. That child may have art, invested somewhere else in himself or herself. Explore, find out, do your research and aid the students to discover themselves through art integration in whatever subject you may be handling. If you relate to these images and to the feedback given by the teachers of a particular school where this workshop was held, do not hesitate to get in touch. I have left all the details in the description box for you to connect with me. And yes, do not forget to like the video and subscribe to this channel. I will see you soon in my next. Thank you.